It's a nasty rainy day, but let's check out what's happening around the scrapyard. After we flipped the blades yesterday on the big shear, we discovered we had a grease line that was leaking, so we're fixing that, and then this machine should be up and running. Our mobile shear is still processing material. We did move a lot of this material that was in this pile over to the stationary shear, but he's chopping up anything that cannot go through the stationary shear. We've still got trucks coming in and dumping roll-off loads. We got a couple over here. One looks like it came from an equipment company. We got some tracks and some other equipment pieces. And then this last load they just dumped looks like some manufacturing equipment and a couple old newspaper stations. We've got one of the dump trailers backing in. They're getting ready to load him with prepared steel to go to the steel mill. And over on this side, we got the Cinnabogan getting in place, getting ready to feed the shear. We're gonna run this thin plate material first, then we're going to switch over to some bushling. Still loading non-ferrous trucks up at the non-ferrous warehouse. Thankfully, we built this cover a couple years ago, and now we don't have to worry about the rain. A long time ago, this wasn't covered, and it was nearly impossible to effectively load trucks when it was raining. And it's getting close to the end of the day, so we've got all the trucks parked up here towards the entrance. That way they can hit the road first thing in the morning. And you can see the baler has pretty much been running wide open all day. The guys have baled several different types of material. It's less than ideal in the rain, but they get it done. And unfortunately, pretty much everything around the yard is less than ideal in the rain, and things really start to slow down on days like this, especially with customers coming in. Our trucks are still rolling, we're still processing material, we're shipping stuff in and out, but it definitely puts a damper on things and slows us down.